Is your Nissan Titan's alarm randomly going off? It's a common problem, especially in models from 2004 to 2015, and even newer ones. The usual suspects are the hood switch, shock sensor, or key fob. The hood switch can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. The shock sensor might be too sensitive, triggered by normal vibrations. The key fob can malfunction due to a weak battery or interference. Ignoring it isn't an option, as Titan theft rates are 15% higher than average pickups. First, check the hood switch for corrosion and clean it with electrical contact cleaner. Dielectric grease can prevent future corrosion. If that doesn't work, a replacement switch costs around $50. For the shock sensor, Nissan dealers sometimes offer software updates to reduce sensitivity via OTA diagnostics for 2016 plus models. Some owners have had success using Nissan's Consult 3 diagnostic tool as a dealer loaner to adjust it themselves, so try asking your dealer. Finally, try a key fob reset. Cycle the ignition 10 times in 5 seconds while holding the lock button. If problems persist, consider aftermarket alarm systems or consult a mechanic, as ignoring the alarm increases theft risk and may void warranties.